Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Here is a recipe for tasty and delicious Madurai Butter Beans Kuruma. Butter beans is a variety of lima beans. These beans need to be shelled. Once shelled, they can be stored in the refrigerator or frozen for later use. Butter beans cook to a very creamy texture and is very delicious. These beans are not to be confused with double beans. They both are very different. Now let's cook the butter beans. Add 2 cups of shelled butter beans to a small pressure cooker. Add in a little salt and about 1.5 cups of water. Cover the pressure cooker and cook for 3 whistles. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Wait for the pressure to settle before opening the cooker. Open the cooker after the pressure has completely subsided. The beans should be cooked to a soft texture. Set aside. Heat a couple of tablespoons of groundnut oil in a pan. Add in some cumin seeds, curry leaves, and some sliced shallots. Saute till the shallots are soft and slowly starting to brown. If you do not have shallots, onions can be substituted too. Once the shallots are light golden in color, add in the red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and curry masala powder. I have used ready-made curry masala powder for this recipe. If interested, check the description below. I will leave a link. Saute for a few seconds for the spice powders to get nicely toasted in oil. In the meantime, add a couple of roughly chopped tomatoes to a mixie. Ripe tomatoes are preferred for this recipe. Add in a pod of country garlic. If you do not have country garlic, regular garlic can be substituted too. Add in the chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, and little fennel seeds. Grind this mixture to a smooth paste. Add this ground paste to the pan. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes till the mixture is cooked and dry. Add in the cooked beans along with the water. Remember that we added half salt while cooking the beans, and so the kurma will be half salted now. Mix well to combine. While the kurma is simmering, we will make a coconut masala paste. Take a mixie jar and add in the fresh shredded coconut. Add in the cashews. Add in the white poppy seeds. Soaking the poppy seeds in little hot water for 5 minutes will make it easier to grind. Add in a couple of cloves and a small piece of cinnamon. Add enough water and grind to a smooth paste. It is important that the paste be ground to a smooth texture so our kurma will be creamy. Add in the ground coconut masala paste to the pan. Wash the mixie with little water and add back to the pan. Check for seasoning at this stage and adjust the salt if required. Cook on a low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. Saute once in a while. If the kurma feels very thick while simmering, add little hot water to adjust the consistency. Once the kurma has cooked well, add in a little sugar to balance the flavors. The sugar will not sweeten the kurma but nicely round the flavors of the dish. Add in juice of half a lime at this stage and switch off the flame. Finish with a generous sprinkling of coriander leaves. Our fantastic Madurai Butter Beans Kuruma is ready. This can be served with idli, dosai or chapati and even South Indian tiffin items like appam and idiyappam. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching And until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.